Welcome to the root word series. Our today's root word is GNI, and it also refers to knowledge, having knowledge of something. Our first word is incognito. Incognito means hiding your real name and identity. Usually in computer there is a incognito mode in which your address is hidden. Our next word is cognizant. Cognizant means having knowledge or awareness of something. Our third word is cognitive. Cognitive is related to the mental process of gaining knowledge. Our fourth word is cognosciente. Cognosciente is the one who is well informed about a particular subject. And our final word is pre-signify. A pre-signify means to indicate beforehand about something. So it's like a prophecy or future telling. Thank you for watching. Hope we'll see you in another video.